Hey gamers, so today I will show you an Honor of Kings hack. So this is for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can actually turn on unlimited tokens. So let me do that right now, and now the tokens should start rising. So let's see if it happens or not. So yeah, where's the rise? I need more tokens, guys, on this Honor of Kings game. So hopefully it starts working, and bang guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android. So let's get into the video. I don't do videos anymore, but I had to share this one. So y'all be like up in my DMs. So yeah, just type tweakmod.com, and on this site guys, what we're going to do is type Honor of Kings, and then press install, and before it downloads it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just got to download 2 apps and follow the instructions, which is 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just see if this works. So yeah, it's super cool guys. So yeah, I don't really know about any other working Honor Kings hack. This is the only one. So let's just give it a second here for this to load. As you can see, so yeah, it's super cool. So it's loading up right now, so we'll just give it a second, and it's just gonna say like missing files. So you just want to download 2 of these apps. So like TikTok, Family Island says reach level 10, it's a game, so I could do that. True Finance, you gotta search something up. So yeah, just make sure you guys do 2 of the apps. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but yeah, TweakMod guys, that's the site. So it's super cool. So if you play Honor Kings, be sure to try this out. It actually works guys, so crazy. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace out.